Last Supper Club, I made two styles of pasta dishes to serve up for the guests, and I have to say this was the hero. So it is a shredded beef short rib ragu that I cooked low and slow for 3 hours in a beautiful red wine sauce that has your sofrito, bay leaves, tomato paste, beef stock, fresh herbs, tinned tomatoes, and red wine. And you want to use a dry red wine like Shiraz to really get that flavour. Can I also add that you can make this ragu ahead of time? So for example, the day before to minimise any stress in the kitchen. And I cooked it in my cast iron pot. And once it was done, the meat was falling off the bones. So you could use this recipe and stop here and serve it with mash. But I thought I would toss it through some larger pasta shells that Del Verde provided and top it with a stunning breadcrumb mix that I made using panko breadcrumbs, onion, flakes, garlic powder, lemon zest, fresh thyme leaves, and some grated provolone cheese. So I mixed that all up with some olive oil, spread it on top of the pasta bake, essentially. That's what it is now. And I cooked it in the oven until it was lovely and golden, and then I let it rest a little bit before serving. So if you want to cook a showstopper dish for your guests, then this is the one to make.